second sharp left turn.
There
it is. The guys are very excited to go on this slide. So here's Long Beach. We haven't sailed yet, so this is the back of the ship. Welcome! There they are! Seattle people!
You're working out, huh?
Both of us have been working out.
There's John and Nancy. Nancy and her drink.
It don't work, dude.
This is the entrance of the room. And then this is the restroom. So here we are, just hanging out at the bar. Ok, bé không chuyện tao thò đó, bây giờ chuyện tao tỏ cho mô bé mở hồi đua đó. Sẽ chuyện tao nó là hôm một cha, sao à? These guys are trying to get more drinks from the bartender, and she's telling them they only get 15 drinks. And make sure that we try Guy's burger.
Ooh, how about we do that tomorrow night for dinner?
You got it.
Oh!
The hotel, right? That way. I got the room for you guys. I got the
These alcoholics are still at the bar. So the clerk told me that I've had 5 drinks.
Man, you do the whole thing.
They've had 5, 7 drinks.
I was like,
5, 7 drinks.
Yeah, it's all about the guys, dude. Come on, dude.